Hello viewers, today we will discuss about how to create a geodatabase using ArcMap software and how we can create multiple data sets, and in feature dataset how we can create point line and polygons for this, and in our last step we will make some point file layers, line files and polygon files as well. So going towards our first step, the first step is to open your ArcCatalog window. You can open your catalog window from here, this pane, which is showing you open the catalog window to access and manage your data. In catalog window, you will just connect your folder from here by clicking there, and you will connect your folder here. In this folder you need to create a folder for your specified project, for your research, for your study area. You can specify your name as per your requirements, and I have made this practical folder for this exercise. And this window you can preview from this toggle content by clicking on this toggle content. And now our next step is to create a personal geodatabase. The difference in personal and file geodatabase is personal geodatabase basically cover your personal data, our exercises, our study areas, and a file database can manage huge area, huge projects on a bigger level. So by right clicking you can go to new, and then from here you will select your personal geodatabase in your specified folder. This will create a new personal geodatabase. You can change its name by right clicking on this, and from here rename pane. I will name this as our practical exercise, GIS practical. And in this geodatabase you will create a new feature dataset. Then you will name your feature dataset GIS practical. Then you will just click next and select your zone. I have selected this as my favorite. And for approaching this WGS 1984, you need to click on a geographic coordinate system, and then you will just go to world, and from here you can select your WGS 1984. By clicking on favorite, you can add in your favorite as well. Then just click on next, and vertical coordinates are not required if you're working on drone imagery or working with the GCPs. Then you can add your vertical coordinate system as well. Then you will just click on next, and by finishing this, this will create your feature dataset, as you can see on your screen here. GIS practical feature dataset. A feature dataset basically holds point line, polygon, or multiple shapefiles, and a shapefile represents only one feature of zero-dimensional, one-dimensional, and two-dimensional. And now here you will add, by double clicking, you will add a shapefile or feature class here for with name point. Here you will add point, and from type you will select your point feature. As we are not working on vertical coordinates, so there is no need to select M and Z values. and you will just finish this to make a point file. Here you have got a point file, and the next step is to create another line file with name line, and you will just select line from here, and there is no need for MZ as I told earlier, and just click finish to create this. And last one, a polygon file is required, and then you will create a polygon, and from here a polygon is already selected. Click next, finish, and this will create your point line and polygon feature classes. Our next step is to add our base map to finally plot our point line and polygons on imagery. You can use your referenced map as well. So you will just click on add data window and click on add base map. From here you will select a base map as per your requirements. Imagery with labels, imagery simple, imagery without labels, street maps, topographical maps, or you can add more maps here as well. So I will just select my imagery from here and click add button. So after adding your base map, you will just zoom with your mouse, and you can zoom in from this pen as well, or zoom out from this one as well. So here you will zoom some built up areas like hospital, residential areas. So next we will just click on our point file and just go to edit features and start editing for this point file, and you can click on continue, and you can click on create feature to select your point or polygon as well. And at the same time you can work on these three layers as well. So here you will add some points on these houses like this, and you will create a line feature like this road as well. And you can also make polygon features on these houses. In our next step, we will save our data in our geodatabase, and from here you will just click on save edits, and then you will click on stop editing to stop this editing, and this will you create a point line and polygon layers in ArcMap. From here you can create your map layout, as I have mentioned the process in my other video. I hope this video helps you a lot for making point files, line files, and polygon files, or digitization of data. Thank you.